Giraffe usually deactivates accounts when its system detects policy violations like multiple accounts, fake activity patterns, or repeated tracking mismatches during offers. By the end, you'll know why account deactivation happens on Giraffe, what you can realistically fix, and how to contact support in a way that actually gets reviewed. First thing to understand that deactivation is usually automatic. Giraffe relies on offer networks that flag suspicious activity, like installing the same app multiple times, using VPNs during offers, or completing tasks in a way that doesn't match normal user behavior. When that happens, the account gets restricted before support even looks at it. Next step is checking whether it's a soft restriction or a full ban. If you can still log in but can't earn or redeem, that's usually a limited account status. If you're fully locked out or get a message saying the account is disabled, that's a full deactivation tied to policy enforcement. The fix path is different depending on which one you're dealing with. If it's a soft restriction, the first thing to do is stop anything that could trigger tracking flags again. That means no VPN, no ad blockers, and no switching devices mid-offer. Then restart the app and let it sit for a while, so background verification can resync your account status. If the account is fully deactivated, there's no instant restore button inside the app. The only real option is contacting support through the official help or contact section. When you do that, keep your message simple. Include your account email, explain you think it was flagged by mistake, and list any recent offers you completed with approximate times. That gives them something concrete to check in their tracking logs. Another important detail is avoiding multiple account behavior going forward. Using more than one account on the same device or trying to reset reward systems is one of the fastest ways to get permanently blocked, because it violates most offer wall rules Giraffe depends on. If support responds, they may either restore access or confirm the deactivation is permanent. In many cases, restoration only happens if the system flagged your account incorrectly, not if there was a confirmed policy violation. Quick recap. Deactivation is usually automatic from offer network flags. Soft restrictions can sometimes recover by stopping risky behavior, and full bans require support review with clear account details. The key is making sure your setup stays clean before you even request a review, otherwise the system will flag it again. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more fixes for reward apps and account issues.